I don't know if I asked you this well, but I said, would you still date me if I chew my toenails?
Yeah, you asked that already.
Oh.
It sound like to me you want to chew your toenails.
I kind of do chew them sometimes. So, would you date me? Obviously. Don't act like you ain't never clipped your toenails and you put the nail in your mouth just to see how it chew.
Hey, you know the bitches to break this dead flow. Hey, right now. I need all the bitches to break this dead flow. Hey, right now.
What up, gang, gang, gang? What up, guys? So, today, guys, we are doing a NUGGS mukbang. This right here is all veggie, vegan friendly chicken nuggets, vegan nuggets. So today, guys, we're doing a little mukbang going on. We got our little box right here, and guess what? You won't believe what's about to go down. So NUGGS reached out to me again, and it was like, Prissy, we want to send your subscribers, maybe one, maybe two, maybe three of you guys, free NUGGS. I know some of you guys have already purchased them, and I know some of you guys want to try them and probably couldn't get any. But now you have an opportunity to get a box of NUGGS for free. All you have to do is comment your Instagram name below. Comment your Instagram name, because NUGGS will be contacting you through DM to send you a free box of NUGGS. You don't want to miss this opportunity if you want to try them. So we're going to go ahead and get into our grades so we can get them munching.
Father God, come for you today. Ask you a blessing on super courageous food, every initiative to our bodies. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen. So we got some ranch dressing. We got our little nugget NUGGS. Make sure you check out NUGGS, their Instagram page. Check out their website. Everything is in the link description below. These right here are delicious, y'all. Just straight up delicious. Now, what you think about him? At first, he didn't really know, because he liked his meat.
Yeah. I mean, if you're going vegan, this would be a good, like, you know, this would be a good nugget if you craving chicken nuggets. For me, you know, I'm a meat guy. Don't get me wrong, they're not bad.
I like them. They taste better when you have a sauce. So like barbecue sauce, this ranch is good with it.
Inside look like.
Yeah, that's the inside. I just thought it was so cool that
it's well seasoned too.
We got pepper. I was gonna say, I was just happy that they was, you know, want to give my subscribers a free box.
I like your nails with the aqua color.
Thank you.
Y'all don't forget to comment y'all Instagram so y'all can get these free nuggets, man.
Shipped directly to your door. Last time I put them in the oven.
And you crispified them.
I made them super crispy. But this time, I want to do something a little different. So I put them in the microwave so they could be a little more soft.
You can do either or, microwave or oven.
Y'all, these nuggets have 22 grams of protein per serving. Well, it's 5 pieces per serving. So 5 pieces can give you 22 grams of protein. That's pretty good. And what I like about the nuggets is that on the back is the ingredients that you could actually pronounce. So let's play.
Let's go.
Alright, so Rayshawn. Would you still date me if I told you that I had an affair with a preacher and he was married? Would you still date me?
No, because you're going to hell. On that one.
I'm going to hell? Okay.
Would you still date me if I was a hobo?
Like homeless?
Just a hobo. Just a freeloading homeless guy that stands on the side of the road and a panhandler. Let me say, would you still date me if I was a panhandler? A guy that stands on the corner and hold a sign.
No. Probably because I'm not attracted to that. It's still a form of hustling, but it's hustling the wrong type of way.
Hustling when you're not really.
Okay. Would you still date me if I like... No. I lost my whole train of thought. I don't know why I keep losing my train of thought. It's like I think about something and my mind go over here and it's like, okay, can you get back to the program? Okay. Excuse me. Would you still date me if I told you that I like my dog to lick my knees?
Yeah.
And it turns me on.
Yeah.
You would?
I mean, dogs lick people.
But if I say it turns me on for my dog to lick me,
that's something you gotta do within yourself.
Excuse me.
Would you still date me if I was in love with my girl? Like, you know.
You are. I dealt with that situation as well.
No, like.
Like that strange addiction dude?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's kind of weird. I mean, I probably would date you, but I would think it was kind of weird.
I wouldn't date myself. That's nasty.
Oh, like.
Yeah, like doing it to the tailpipe type.
Oh, bro, I don't know about that part. Okay. Would you still date me if the first time we was about to do it, I said I want to pee on you?
No.
So you wouldn't let me pee on you?
No. Pee is not meant to go on people.
It look like a flat on it. But it's a piece of
Alright,
hell.
would you date me if I didn't take a bath in 20 years?
What?
Would you date me would you still date me if I didn't take a bath in 20 years?
That shit be stank. I don't know. You making me think about the smell right now. Nah, I don't have to let you. Like, you told me this after we dated?
It doesn't, would you still, it doesn't matter.
Like if you told me, hey, I have something, a secret. One time I didn't bathe for 20 years.
No, just, I haven't bathed in 20 years. We could have been together for 20 years or whatever. You just haven't bathed in 20 years.
Yeah, probably not. I don't know if I asked you this well, but I said, would you still date me if I chew my toenails?
Yeah, I said already.
Oh.
It sound like to me you want to chew your toenails.
I kind of do chew them sometimes. So, would you date me? Obviously. Don't act like you ain't never clipped your toenails.
I haven't.
And you put the nail in your mouth just to see how it chew.
Because I already know I got thick toenails.
So basically you trying to say I'm just nasty.
No, that's just you. My toenails are too thick to...
I kind of want to chew yours. Okay. Just to see how thick it
You
is.
chew them.
Cause my toenails are so thin. They like.
See, that's why you're able to chew yours, because you're thin. But would you date me if my mom was still living, I was still sucking on the titty?
No. That's a good one, but no. Hell no. I'm like, boy, if you don't get your big grown tail up off that nipple. Okay, since you want to go there, would you still date me if I had a secret stash of dirty drawers and every now and then I want to go smell my own drawers?
No.
Why?
That's gross. Why would you want to smell your own stinking drawers?
Well, I like smell pissy drawers.
I mean, you like stink. I mean, you like smelling stink stuff.
Yeah, I guess that is kind of weird.
Alright, so would you?
Ew, that is kind of weird.
This is a crazy one. Would you date me if I asked you to be a sister wife?
Whoa. Well, you know how I feel about that. Like, one minute I'm like, I get it. But the next minute I'm like, I can't share penises. So, probably not. I'll probably, nah, bro.
Yeah, I would say no. Because like you said, I don't like sharing.
Yeah.
Sharing is not caring in that aspect.
Show ain't. But everybody, you know.
That's from some people out here, but it ain't for everybody, and show ain't for us.
Okay.
You gonna ask the last one, right?
Yep.
This is the last one. Well, I gotta ask the last one since you went first. This is the last round.
So, would you still date me if I told you that when I was younger, I robbed a bank and I stole stuff. I stole like everyone's field trip money when we were in elementary school or middle school?
Yeah.
You would date me if I was a thief?
That's a pass. A thief ain't gonna always be a thief.
Hell, I know a couple that is.
Well, would you still date me if you found out that I was a mass murderer?
Babe, that's not fair.
What's not fair?
That's sad. That's sick.
It's a yes or no question?
No, it's sick.
Okay.
I would not. But yeah, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment your Instagram handle below.
So you get your free pack.
So see about sending you guys free NUGGS. Make sure you check them out, guys. Check out their website. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to use my code to get your money off of your box of NUGGS. So yeah.
Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Give this video a thumbs up. Go check out everybody. All that juju. Until next time. Gang.